Hello everybody, thank you for joining us this fine day. Today we're going to do a quick action pose, and we are talking about a martial arts strike. So it'll be hopefully a quick exercise, and to start off we will first put in a line like that, so it's just an arc. Stop right about there. So this is actually the torso, and then right here we're going to put in where the shoulder will be, but since we have some angles, perspective and foreshortening, we're going to do it a little differently. So right there, shoulder, shoulder, going all the way back, but then the front of the body will be somewhat like that, so curving around like that, the head somewhere here. So it's just shapes that we put together. We started off like that, that, this and this shape, and then one arc like this. That's for the elbow, another arc, and an oval, and then we'll tuck that arm right back. From this shoulder, this arm will be right back. Elbow, that part will not be visible by the time we are done, and the hand. And then for the lower body, we're going to do something right here. Let's put in that entire groin area, and then thigh, knee, shin and calf, and an oval. And then there's some foreshortening involved, as I said. So this, and then shin in front, and foot. So it looks a little funny right now, but when we get down to it, it'll be fine. So what we're going to do is start off. Let's start off with the torso right there, shoulder, and just put in a fist right there, and there's the chest area right there, chest, shoulder. And then of course it depends on how much bulk you wish to give this guy, but I wouldn't make it too bulky if it is a martial arts type of strike. So there's the belt, and then on the top let's have the shoulder blade and the collarbone going right there. Okay, just wanted to check if the recording wasn't intact. And then the head, nose, mouth, ears, and then, as I said, the rest of the arm is behind. This is a very popular pose when we talk about and there's the closed fist. And then we come up here, ankles, shin, and of course the kicking leg, and the shin. And then I'm going to, there we have like different choices here, but right here I'm going to put in the foot somewhat like that, so it's like a heel strike, jumping heel strike. And I'm going to put in a foot right around there. So that is the jumping heel strike. But now, if we wish, we can incorporate more details into this, like so. You could give him toes, or if you wish, or feet, or slippers or shoes. And the same thing goes here, so the fabric will of course stretch accordingly. Of course this bit will not be visible, there will be fabric here. And if he is, let's keep the top bare just for the sake of detail. So if I were to quickly put some inks in this guy, I would, let's say the light source is coming down, so I would just quickly go about the exercise. Right under here, right around the muscle and bone structure. But again, it will depend on how much I'm looking to highlight going into this. I do not necessarily want to add extraneous details there, but yeah, some details definitely help quite a bit when we are considering poses like this. So as you see that I just put in inks on that side, because as I said, the light is away from that bit, so accordingly inks around the creases, some of the shadow falling there, inks right here. So there we have it. Quick, essential strike pose and quick inks to go about it. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.